Hey y'all, got a new one today. We got this good AAA Foldable Solar Charger, 10 watt. This is one of those small foldable solar chargers you can hang on your backpack, and it'll charge your phone while you're walking, or it'll charge your phone out in the sunlight. Let's open it up and check it out, see the quality and all that kind of stuff. Alright, we got a guidebook, got a cord, and this is the charger itself. It comes with this carabiner, so you could put it into your hang it off your backpack or hang it off the wall or whatever you want to do with it. It has a pocket here. I guess it's supposed to be just for your accessories. I guess your phone could fit in it. Yeah, your phone could fit in it, although the cord is going to plug in here, so that doesn't really work that great, but anyway, that's okay. Let's plug this in. You see this? Plug it into here. It's got another USB-C here, but yeah, with that plugged in there, I don't know if you can get your phone in there. Let's try. Yeah, you can get it in, but chances are that wire's going to break, so not a good design there. It should have came out the bottom. Okay. Anyway, let's plug this phone in. I'm going to use a longer cord. This is short, but that's good for out on the thing. But for my purpose, I need a long cord. Alright. Plug that in. Plug this into the phone. And then we'll open it up and see if we get any reaction on the phone. This doesn't take USB-C. Oh, it's my old phone. Alright, let's pull it. Okay, so we got it going. Got a regular USB mini. Alright, plug it in. This phone's dead. Let's see if we get any reaction when we open up this solar thing. Oh, look at that. It actually did something. And that's just from this overhead light. Pretty interesting. So if you had this out in the bright sunlight, you got 10 watts of charging power. I don't think you could use both at the same time, but if you do, it's probably cut in half to 5 watts each. But anyway, this is made pretty nice. Nice stitching around here. And it won't turn on yet. This phone is dead. Anyway, you can see when I open this up, the phone powered on, it vibrated. I mean, just charging. Let's give it a second and see if it goes up to 1%. Anyway, it's going to be a slow charge under this regular light, but when you can see when I shut it stops charging. Open it up, starts charging. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, this is pretty nice. Like you can hang it off your backpack. 2 carabiners. That's what these little plastic bags are for. You can see the little red light here. Shows you it's charging. And you open it up. You get some light on it. That light goes on. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it, but I can. So this is the, got a nice look to it. Pretty cool. I guess this is just about $29.99 on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it for you guys. I don't know if this will power up anything outside, but it'll definitely charge your phone, charge your batteries. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, and we'll see you on the next one.